Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to inspect Discord text. Inspecting Discord text simply refers to using developer tools to look at how text and elements are structured. This is done within the Discord interface and is commonly performed through the web version of Discord. It is useful for temporarily changing messages for fun, as I have mentioned. Inspecting can only be done in the web version, so you need to log in to Discord using your browser. As you can see, I am already logged in. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on your keyboard to open the developer tools. From here, click on the arrow icon and choose any text that you want to inspect. Let's say I want to inspect this hello text. Click on it and the message will be highlighted. Double-click the message and delete it. Now you can change it to anything you want and press Enter. The message will be successfully changed, and you can close the developer tools. As you can see, we changed the message from hello to DelfStack by inspecting text. By inspecting text, you can observe the underlying structure and attributes related to visible content. You can also play jokes with your friends or use this method for learning, testing, or analysis. This helps you understand how Discord presents text and interface components. We learned what inspecting Discord text refers to and how it relates to viewing text structure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.